Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin now. Open WhatsApp on Android and create a local backup so messages exist on device. This is the source. Next, make sure both phones are charged and on the same network, or connect them with a USB-C to Lightning cable to speed data flow. Install Apple's Move to iOS on Android if not present. You do this because Move to iOS allows the secure handoff of app data once installed. Follow its prompts to prepare the transfer screen on your iPhone. Now you run Move to iOS and choose to transfer WhatsApp when the app list appears. This ensures chats, media, and account info are queued. You will scan a QR code shown on the iPhone with your Android to authenticate. This ties the two devices securely. Once authenticated, the actual export runs. WhatsApp packages local backup and media, then sends it. Be patient. Larger conversations take longer. Make sure you keep both phones unlocked and on power so nothing stops mid-transfer. Once transfer completes, install WhatsApp on your iPhone and verify with the same phone number. Then tap Restore when prompted. This imports the transferred data into the app. You should then scan key chats and media to confirm everything moved. Also re-enable iCloud backup for future safety. If something went wrong, try the key troubleshooting tip. Reconnect both devices with a direct cable, ensure enough free storage, update WhatsApp and OS, and repeat the transfer. This fixes most interrupted or
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.